everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today I'm going to plant some seeds that our subscribers sent us. But before I do that, let me show you guys outside because something cool happened. Alright guys, so here's the nice little surprise, is that we got rain. Look at all these beautiful raindrops on my cabbages. And look at my cabbages trying to head up. I love this, but you know, with the rain is going to come a lot of little buggies. So where I'm already seeing holes, which I took off the cover so that they could get as much rain water as possible, but I'm going to probably start seeing more. So once it stops raining, I am going to go and put the covers back on just so that, you know, it's not all bad. But also I have some turnip green tops and some kales that had like some buggies on it, and then just the ends of that eggplant that I'm going to give to the worms today. So, alright guys, let's head back inside and I will finish the video. So if you guys don't know, we had a drought like no other this year. We had 48 days of 118 degrees plus, and there was no rain. Our monsoon was a joke this year and it did not rain. So when the meteorologist says like, hey, it's gonna rain, I kind of don't believe them. But we got some rain, and it's supposed to be raining on and off all week long, so I think this will be a perfect time to get some seeds in the ground. So I want to show you guys some seeds that Carolina Gardener also sent me. Thank you so much. You are so awesome. Like, I'm so excited to get like little presents in the mail. When I lived in New York, I used to always say it's nice to get something in the mail other than bills, because I feel like in New York you never get anything but a bill in the mail. And when I was there for acting school, I used to get like a care package every now and then from like one of my friends here at ASU or one of my parents. So it was nice to get something in the mail other than a bill. So I got some salad bowl lettuce. Show you guys that. And then I got little fingerlings carrots, which I will probably get these in the ground too as well. And then I got a Mara Globe round tomato. That should be cool. And then a crunchy crimson radish. That one. And then long green improved slicing cucumbers. So some of these are going to go in now, which are going to be the radish and also some of the lettuce, and then the carrots. I'm probably going to start them tomorrow since it's going to be raining on and off today, and I think I need to get a few more pots. But these ones I'm going to start once I do my video tomorrow, that I'm going to up pot everything that I have going on in my seed starting tray, so that then I can now start my spring stuff. So things like my cucumbers, my beans, all those different things. I think that I'm going to start them a little bit earlier just because we've been a lot warmer. So I'm gonna see how it goes for like a week maybe, and then start them, because normally I start them like February 1st anyway, but I think I can probably get them a little bit earlier. And if we've been this warm, it's probably gonna be super hot. So I'm gonna go pick up a couple of things, and then I am going to take you guys outside and I'm going to plant all the things that our lovely subscribers have sent us. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for sending me things, because it's nice to get tons of cool seeds in the mail that I can be able to plant, and then it can be like having a piece of my garden, or having a piece of you guys in my garden. So sorry, I'm getting a little choked up, but that means the world to me. So I just want to say thank you guys very much. Also, I do plan on taking a picture of my garden once it gets full and all the arches are full and everything like that, so that then I can make some thank you postcards to send out to all of you guys. I've been saving you guys' addresses so that I can send them out to you guys to say thank you for sending me so many great and cool things. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and get as much planted as I can before the sun completely goes away. It looks like it's going to rain, so this is actually a great time for me to just get some seeds in the ground and get the bare root strawberries in the ground too as well. So I have containers because everything I'm going to be planting today is all going to be in containers. I have the containers already, and I've read the strawberry manual like 27 million times just so I don't mess it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and start planting, and I'll show you guys what I have going on to plant them in. I have these big long planters, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to plant them, or where I'm going to put the planters once I get them filled with the strawberries. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of dig like a little well here so that I can then put the strawberry in. Grab it. Now I'm going to show you guys one, and then I'm just going to do the rest. But I want to put the roots kind of as far down as I can. I got pretty deep planters so that then I can have some space. And then also I mix 3 different types of soil. So I have potting mix, a black gold potting mix, and then some cactus mix too as well, just to make sure it's well draining. And then it also said make sure you don't go over the crown. So I'm gonna kind of tuck that in, and let's hope for the best on that one. So I'm gonna plant the rest of them and then show you guys where I'm putting it. Alright guys, so I just put them in their place. I moved the celery and put them on the table because I think that it might be pretty once they grow out, like if they sprawl down and kind of over and just kind of have like strawberries hanging. That's the goal. Okay, so this is where they are. I didn't bury the crowns. So as you can see, the crowns are still showing. And it's supposed to rain tonight, so I didn't want to put too much water on them. Could probably lift this one up a little bit. And kind of make sure that they're good. I'll lift that one up a little bit. But I think that's going to be good. And you guys tell me what you think. Do you think this is going to be a good spot for them? I might end up moving this planter of flowers once they start kind of really growing in, but hopefully the flowers, once those open up, will attract some more bees to this area. Now up top here, I am going to put in some poppy seeds. As you guys can see, I have gross nails right now. But I'm going to plant some orange poppies that I have been waiting to send, that one of our subscribers sent me. So I'm going to go do that and get those ready and then show you guys. Okay, so I've never grown poppies before. These are going to be some orange poppies. Look at the sweet little packaging. So excited. I'm hoping that it's going to be okay to grow in pots. I'm going to try growing it in these pots, and then also I'm going to grow them in a hanging pot too as well. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and sprinkle the seeds on top, because they're really small seeds. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're in the corner. My nails are going to be so dirty after this. But they're really small seeds, so I'm just going to sprinkle them on the top, and then I'm going to cover it with a little bit of soil. So sometimes people ask me if I wear garden gloves, and why don't I wear garden gloves? Because as you can see, I have nails, and normally I have them painted so you can't see how gross they are, but like when I go to meetings for work. But I believe in having the soil heal you, and I believe that connecting with the earth is good for your mind, your body, and your soul. So I will never have gloves on because I want to have that full connection with the earth. So that's why I have a nail brush in the kitchen, that in my sink, that I can wash all the dirt from underneath my nails once I'm done playing in the dirt. But this is where I have the poppies. So right here next to this new little stevia that I have some poppies right here. And then if I go over here, quick little tour, I have the poppies up here too as well. Now, you guys let me know what you think when it grows out. I always typically have flowers up here, so I'm hoping that this is going to be just a really beautiful area with strawberries and just flowers and then just awesomeness. I might even get like another brick to kind of push that one up so it's a little bit higher, and then push these two up so that then they're higher than this one down here. But I'm pretty excited. I think that these are all going to be gorgeous. Now I have to plant some lettuce. So if you guys ever want to know how I keep track of what I grow in my seed starts, this is how I do it. I keep a journal, I put a date, and I put names of everything that I have going on. Okay, so next up we're going to plant some more lettuce. I am going to put in some, and these are lettuces too that one of our subscribers sent us. I have bronze lettuce, green tulsi, and freckled romaine. Yes, I freckled romaine. And then I also have some tom thumb lettuce too as well that I'm going to put in. So I'm going to put these in the Dollar Tree like stackables, and then add them to the lettuce stackable that I have. So I have gotten the question before, do I take off the wrappers? And yes, I do. They have like a little kind of perforation there, so you can just rip them right off, and then I just stick the little root ball down and then cover it in some dirt, so then that way it is nice and tall and growing beautifully. So here is the new lettuce tower. So I have them alternating the gray and the tan, but it's lettuce and some garlic chives. So that is where I just planted the lettuce at on all of the gray ones. So that's going to be really gorgeous. Thank you so much for sending those to me. Alright guys, so I lost daylight, but that was all I'm planting today. Once again, I just want to say thank you guys very much. If you guys have watched my channel for a while, you know that I originally started filming my YouTube channel after my best friend passed and my dad got put into a nursing home for his Alzheimer's. And it was kind of a way for me to really just kind of reduce like my stress, kind of go out there and just plant in the soil and let the soil kind of heal my brain, and then also on top of that just kind of talk. And so filming my YouTube channel in the beginning was a lot of just me just kind of de-stressing and just talking, and then something magical happened where you guys started talking back. So try not to cry, and that meant a lot to me. It actually just gave me a new perspective on life, and being able to have you guys support me in my channel and then just talk to me while I'm gardening means a lot to me. So being able to have a piece of you guys in my garden, I think is just going to be really huge and exciting. So once again, I appreciate everything that you guys have sent me. It's amazing that, you know, there's amazing people in the world that actually just want to help you succeed with something and help be a part of something. And I hope that my channel continues to grow and grow and grow, because this is something that I really feel like is my calling, to help people garden out here in the hot desert. But until next time, grow yourselves a garden, because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye guys.